Hi everybody, today's focus is a viewer request. I am testing Plant Therapy's multi-surface cleaner with the Defender Essential Oil Blend and the Germ Fighter Essential Oil Blend. My viewer Pamela, who has been supporting my channel for a very long time, mailed me these two packages from Plant Therapy. Pamela and I chatted back and forth via email about the Plant Therapy multi-surface cleaners. And what she found out is that they're not considered to be a disinfectant or sanitizer at all. Plant Therapy just claims that they are cleaners. But Pamela was curious to see if they could remove any bacteria. So I do want to point out, nowhere on the packaging and nowhere on Plant Therapy's website do they claim to be able to remove bacteria. In order to test this multi-surface cleaner for Pamela, what I'm going to do is take a Petri dish just like this guy here, and I'm going to label it A, B, and C. I'm going to take some sterile swabs, and I'm going to swab various areas around my home, including my kitchen counter, kitchen sink, bathroom sink, and toilet rim. I'm going to place those samples on the section labeled B for before. Then I'm going to clean the areas according to the Plant Therapy directions. The directions state to pour the entire contents of one 30 ml concentrate bottle in a clean, empty 16-ounce spray bottle. Fill the rest of the bottle with water. Shake well to mix. Spray onto surfaces and wipe clean. After I wipe it clean, I will take another sterile swab, swab the areas again, and place that sample in the section labeled A for after. C is my control, nothing's going to go there. I'm going to test these products on 2 separate days, probably almost a week apart, to make sure that my house has had a chance to grow back enough bacteria for a test. And then we'll compare and we'll see how well they do. So let's see how well these Plant Therapy multi-surface cleaners with 2 different essential oil blends, Germ Fighter and Defender, can remove bacteria even though they make no claims to be able to remove bacteria from my home. Now for some results. The kitchen counter. In the before section, we can see some bacteria there. And in the after section, we just see one bacterial colony. The Plant Therapy Multi-Surface Cleaner with the Germ Fighter Essential Oil Blend did a great job at removing bacteria from my kitchen counter. The kitchen sink. In the before section, we can see a lot of bacteria. And in the after section, you can see a visible decrease in bacteria. There are a bunch of small, tiny bacterial colonies that might be difficult to see with the photo. But in all, there's probably a little more than a dozen bacterial colonies there. So this Plant Therapy Multi-Surface Cleaner Germ Fighter did an okay job at removing bacteria from my kitchen sink. The kitchen sink drain. In the before section, we can see some bacteria there. I know usually in my kitchen sink drain, we get more bacteria than this, but this is the sampling that I got that day. And in the after section, we can most certainly see a visible decrease in bacteria. There are still some bacterial colonies there, but there is a great decrease. The Plant Therapy Multi-Surface Germ Fighter did a pretty good job at removing bacteria from my kitchen sink drain. The bathroom sink. In the before section, we can see a lot of bacteria, and in the after section, there's just one small bacterial colony. Plant Therapy's Multi-Surface Cleaner with the Germ Fighter Essential Blend does an excellent job at removing bacteria from my bathroom sink. The toilet rim. In the before section, we can see some bacteria, and in the after section, we can see a huge decrease. There's no bacteria at all growing on my after section. So the Plant Therapy Multi-Surface Germ Fighter did an excellent job of removing bacteria from my toilet rim. So next, I'm going to test the Plant Therapy Multi-Surface Cleaner with the Defender Essential Oil Blend.